Hello everybody. So I am bored, and what else better to do when you're bored than your makeup for no reason at all. No reason. I was watching TV. I literally finished season 2 of Dead to Me today. So yeah, I'm watching all of the Marvel movies in order during this quarantine. I know things are starting to open up, but I'm still like, I don't quite want to go right back out there yet. So anyways, so we're gonna do, this is gonna be a 2-part series. The first part is going to be the beauty look, so a nice cat eye, as you already saw from the photo on this. We're gonna do a nice cat eye with a bright red lip, so a beauty look that you can just wear anywhere, whenever you feel like it, if you feel like doing it. And then the second video is gonna be completely separate and just different, but I can add to it. Anyways, it'll be Captain America, since again, I'm watching all of the Marvel movies, so I'm a little obsessed right now, just like re-grabbing my obsession. So I'll be doing that, so you'll have to watch the next video for that one, and it'll come up a couple weeks after this one is. I just have to edit and all that. Anyways, this is gonna be a talk through from here on out, because I'm gonna watch another show while I'm doing this, but I felt like I wanted to do my makeup and look cute. My hair's already curled. This was literally just from me being bored watching TV. Anyways, if you guys are interested in how to get the beauty look, nice cat eye, how I do it, honestly, I'm not very good at it. The wing liner, not great, but you know, we're gonna see how this goes. So if you wanna see how I get it, go ahead and keep on watching. Make sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and then subscribe to my channel, please. All your support would mean everything to me. Okay, let's get on into the video.
So starting right off with the brows, take a spoolie brush, brush those babies on up, and then with a slanted brush, dip into any brow powder that you have that matches closest to your brow color, and just fill in the sparse areas. This is going to make your brows look nice and full and fluffy and beautiful. Okay, up next we have the wing liner. So bear with me guys, I obviously need to work on my camera placement, whatever. My mirror's totally making this all defocused, but I'm not great at the wing liner anyways. But what I'm doing is I'm taking a liquid liner. This is just this basic Sephora brand. Got it from, well, obviously Sephora. And I start on that outer edge and try to create a cat wing that I like. And I try to make that even. Now I like doing this before my foundation because then I can clean up any messes, because I do mess up and I poke myself in the eye, and I need to practice the wing. So that's the first step. If you're better at it, great. If you know tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments, and I promise I will keep practicing. Okay, now that the liner is to my decent satisfaction, it's time to prime the face. So using the Too Faced Hangover Primer, I'm going to apply that with my hands all over my face. And then I'm going to apply my foundation using the Morphe liquid foundation and a Morphe foundation brush. I'm going to put that all over. And with a damp beauty blender, I'm then going to blend in all the streaky areas. It just makes it better. But for some reason I started applying with a brush and then blending it in with a damp beauty blender. And up next, it is time to contour. Please, I am using the wrong shade, but it's the only thing that I have left. It's too orangey for me, but I make it work. So just using a foundation or contour stick or bronzer that's only like 2 shades lighter than you, not how mine is. Apply that where you would normally apply bronzer and contour. So you want to do the hollows of the cheeks. I like to do along the forehead because I have a large forehead. The sides of the nose to make it look slimmer and underneath, and then that center in your lip to make your cupid's bow and upper lip kind of pop a little bit more, and right under my lower lip to kind of make my lips look just a little bit bigger. And I take that damp beauty blender and blend it in the best I can. But don't worry guys, if you use the right shade for your skin, it won't look terrible, or you can make it work like I do. And of course, after you contour, it's time to conceal. This is my least favorite concealer by e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Everybody raves about it, but I hate it. It dries up on my face way too quick. I can't do everything all over. This is basically a full face of makeup I don't like, but it still comes out great. So I put that in sections on my face and then blend it out in sections so it doesn't dry up like I mentioned. Then I'm going to take the Sephora Just Setting Powder, again a powder I don't like anyways, and set my entire face. I'm just gonna press that in. And I want to finish my face now. So once I set all of that is when I'm gonna bronze. I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and I put the bronzer on, and then I actually bake my face. So anywhere I didn't put the bronzer, I like to cut out my cheekbones, put it down my nose, set my eyes, laugh lines, anywhere that I'm oily, etc. I'll brush it all off and finish up with highlighter and blush.
Okay, of course my camera died, so this was a quick video, guys. So basically all I finished doing was I baked the face, I put on my mascara and then wiped that baking off, just brushed it off with a big fluffy brush. I did my highlight and my blush, and then of course my lipstick. And that's the beauty look. You can do any red you want. I'm doing a bright red due to the Captain America look that I'm gonna be doing. But if you wanna do a little bit more sultry, you can do a deeper red or an even brighter red. Whatever you wanna do, a completely different lip color. Basically, this look will go with any lip color. Okay, so anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry it was quick and short, sorry my camera died, but it is what it is. Sometimes there's technical difficulties, and that is okay. But I love you guys all. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and then make sure to follow me on Instagram because I post a lot more photos of looks that I even don't get to film and stuff like that. So give me a follow. Love you all. Thank you so much again. See you next time. Bye.